Diving into idioms. Understanding neck deep in debt. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into an intriguing English idiom, neck deep in debt. This phrase paints a vivid picture and is commonly used in English conversations. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your daily conversations. Imagine standing in a pool where the water level is right up to your neck. That's quite deep, isn't it? Now, replace the water with debt, and you've got the essence of the idiom. Neck deep in debt means being in a situation where you owe a significant amount of money, almost to the point where it's overwhelming. It implies a sense of being almost submerged or overwhelmed by the amount you owe. While the exact origin of neck deep in debt is not clearly documented, the idiom is a variation of the phrase neck deep, which has been used for centuries to describe being deeply immersed in a situation or substance. Adding in debt to neck deep vividly describes the stressful experience of owing a lot of money. This phrase is often used to describe serious financial situations. For instance, 1. After buying that expensive house, he found himself neck deep in debt. 2. Many students are neck deep in debt due to student loans. Notice how the phrase vividly conveys the severity of the debt situation. It's more impactful than just saying, has a lot of debt. Understanding synonyms can enrich your vocabulary. Here are a few related phrases. Drowning in debt. Similar to neck deep in debt, it suggests an overwhelming amount of debt. Over your head in debt indicates that the debt is more than one can manage. Buried in debt, another vivid metaphor indicating severe indebtedness. And that's a wrap on neck deep in debt. This phrase is a powerful way to express a significant financial burden. Remember, idioms like this can add color and depth to your English conversations. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in using and understanding this phrase. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.